Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 9 divide 3 bracket 2 plus 1. That's look really simple, right? But still, many people fail to solve this. So in this video, I am going to teach you both the approaches, what people make mistake and what is the right way to solve. So 9 divided by 3 bracket 2 plus 1. So they solve it 2 plus 1 3 and 3 multiplied by 3 is 9 and 9 divided by 9 is 1, which is the wrong answer. So what is the correct way then? So you have to follow PEMDAS rule, which is also known as board mass rule. Comment down below in your country what you called it. So first you have to solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication and division both have same priority, but you have to solve it from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction. So first solve the parenthesis. So rewrite the left out term. So 2 plus 1 is 3 and there is a multiplication sign. Now multiplication and division both have same priority, but we have to solve it from left to right. So it's 9 divided by 3. Multiply 3. So it's 3 times 3. That is 9. So what is the correct answer? 9, not 1. I hope you learned what people make mistakes and you will not repeat this mistake. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.